I've been trading on the Libertex platform since 2016. In this video, I'll reveal 9 reasons why I've traded with this forex broker for over 4 years and why you should too. The first reason: a reliable broker. Libertex has been operating since 1997, that's over 23 years in the market. According to Libertex, it has over 2.2 million customers who come from 110 countries worldwide. This broker is regulated and supervised by the SISEC with the following license. Libertex is a Premium Plus partner for the Valencia and Getafe football clubs. Let's visit their official websites and double-check this information. As we can see, this information is valid, and Libertex is among other well-known brands that partner with these clubs. That makes me feel more confident that my money is safe and that I'm trading on the trusted platform. The second reason: easy demo switch. I love the fact that I can switch easily between my demo and real accounts. With this amazing feature, you can test your trading ideas without any risk of loss. I can also use the demo account to warm up before trading on my real account. It's a great way for beginners to get acquainted with the platform and understand how it works. Many brokers allow you to use a demo account for just 1 or 2 days. And then you have to deposit some money and trade on your real account. The awesome thing about Libertex is that you can use the demo account as many times as you want without any time or money limitations. The third reason: fast execution. I'm sure that you already know that every second on the forex market is crucial. It's really important to open and close trades in time because the forex market is highly volatile and you need to execute fast. Some people even pay as much as $60 per month for a VPS service to reduce the execution time. I absolutely love the speed with which I can open and close trades on the Libertex platform. It often takes less than 1 second. The reason number 4: powerful trading platform. There is no need to install MetaTrader 4 or any other program on your PC or phone. You can find everything you need on Libertex. If you like to trade using MT4, you can do it, but you can also trade on the web version or in the official app. Reason number 5: user-friendly and convenient platform. Libertex offers an easy-to-use platform which is really great for beginners and more experienced traders. Here you can see popular assets, choose top rising or top falling assets, or sort them by top volatility, uprising trend, and more. Libertex also has an accessible search. You can find an asset and add it to your favorites. Later on, you can see them in this window. Here is the information about your balance, and as I showed you before, you can switch between your demo and real accounts. In this window, you can find charts powered by TradingView, so there is no need to jump between the chart and broker tabs. You can also choose how to display charts. Choose between line, candle, and area, which is set by default. Here you can choose the time frame, and if you click on this tab, you can enable full screen mode, add support, resistance, or trend lines, and more. Furthermore, you can add indicators and adjust them to your needs. Plus, you can make trades in the same mode, which is really convenient. I love Libertex for its simplicity and easy navigation. As you can see, you just choose the amount you are ready to invest, select the multiplier, which stands for leverage, and here you can see the commission, which is very low in comparison to other brokers. Then you can set the stop loss and take profit levels here. This platform is super convenient for beginners and you don't need to calculate a lot or click around a bunch enter trades. Reason number 6: your efficiency. You can click on this video course tab and see an exceedingly useful tool. It analyzes your efficiency and shows tips on how you can improve your performance. You can read more about this tool by clicking on this icon. It explains why you need this feature, how this score is calculated, and so on. A score above 55 shows that your trading is good. At this moment, my score is 86, and it says that my indicator is better than 99% of all traders. It also shows how I can improve my trading. It says that I'm taking an extremely large risk and I should reconsider it. Reason number 7. Educational Center. If you go back, you can watch insightful videos and learn the basics of trading. I've already watched some videos and I can definitely say that they are of high quality and you may find them helpful. Additionally, Libertex has webinars that teach traders different advanced techniques. Reason number 8. Over 200 assets. According to Libertex, it has 213 assets including currencies, crypto, indices, stocks, oil, metals and more. So you don't need to open separate accounts for forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks or whatever else you want to trade. You can trade these assets on one single platform. If you click this tab, you can see that all the assets are nicely grouped and the broker shows you additional valuable information. The currencies are grouped by majors, minors and exotic ones. If you select stocks, they are grouped by categories such as industrials, materials, automobile industries, luxury and finance. Reason number 9. No delays in withdrawals plus low commissions. I've been trading on Libertex for over 4 years and I never had any withdrawal delays or problems. And I love the fact that the commissions are really low and can vary depending on the market conditions. The commission is often lower than 0.01%, which is one of the lowest one in the industry. So, I've enumerated 9 reasons why I trade on Libertex, and why you should too. I tried to find at least one disadvantage or problem, but I really can't. Libertex has gathered all the features and benefits that traders want, and eliminated every single thing that can spoil a trader's experience. You can open an account using my affiliate link. That way, you can support my YouTube channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, and the broker will pay me a small commission. If you like my Libertex review, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other videos that you may find helpful.